Hey guys, on today's show, I want to discuss a viewer comment that I got a little while ago, and I think it really needs to be addressed. It's something important that ought to be talked about, so that's right here, right now on Ham Radio for Non-Techies. Welcome back to Ham Radio for Non-Techies, guys. My name is Scott. My call sign is KI5MPL, and please consider subscribing if you like my videos, and hit the like button to show YouTube that these videos are needed and people want to see them, so they'll show more videos like this to more people. Anywho, I got a comment today from a viewer, and he was kind of discouraged. And in his comment, he was saying that he decided against taking the ham radio exam. It's just like the people around me make it too difficult to actually take the test. Only offered once a month, only one day of the week, and it's the day he's not available, so on and so forth. There's only one club in range that he has near him, and every time he listens to them on the repeater, he hears them talking about politics or other things, stuff like that, stuff he's not really interested in. He's kind of I guess, judging the ham community by this one experience. And I just wanted to come back and say, look, there is no reason to think that because you might have a couple bad apples in this hobby / service, that everybody's like that. The ham community as a whole, from my experience so far, has been very uplifting, very helpful, very supportive of one another. Not all ham radio clubs are equal. Some of them just suck. And that's a simple fact. There's some who are stuck in their ways. They're stuck in the 1950s where there shouldn't be any fun in ham radio. It's only a service. You should only do CW and Morse code. That's the only real ham. Forget that crap. All right. You should have fun with ham radio. Ham radio is made for the enjoyment of all ham radio licensed operators. And to let a couple bad apples skew your opinion of the hobby, I don't agree with that. So I want to say, don't give up. You don't have to be part of a club to enjoy ham radio. There's plenty of people out there that live in areas where there are no ham radio clubs in their area, and they go out and they enjoy ham radio on their own. They do their own thing, or they get involved with an online community such as this one, which brings me to my next point. If you don't have access to a decent club, then you might want to consider going out and reaching out to the online community. We have the Discord servers with all the different Discords. You have Ham Radio 2.0, Ham Radio Crash Course. You have the Toad server. There's all links. You go to their YouTube pages. They have links to all their Discord servers. You click on the link. You install Discord on your desktop, and you can go in there. You can interact and ask questions and talk to people and make new friends and find out what the ham community really is like. Also, I would suggest on the online community, get involved in some of these channels. Ham Radio 2.0, Jason. He's got a great channel, and he has a monthly happy hour where we all get together. A lot of the YouTubers get together. We go on the video with him on live, and the viewers can ask questions, interact, and we all kick back. We have drinks. We talk about ham radio. We talk about other topics that are kind of fun, and we just get together. We just have a good time with one another. We enjoy each other's company, and we've made a lot of friends. I've got people on the online community I would never have met if I hadn't been involved in that. Out here where I live, I have access to a few people in my club here and there, but I don't talk to them as much as I do the people online. So if you're in a similar situation where you might not have people around and stuff like that, check the online ham community. We're called a hamily for a reason, or the ham fam, whatever the term that was coined. But you should always try and find other things. Don't let one circumstance dictate what the entire hobby is like, because that's not the case. You're going to have bad apples in everything, but I found in the ham community, I have a lot less here than in other genres or other groups I'm involved with. This is a very cool group of people. There are a lot of people who are willing to help. They're willing to help you find stuff, help answer questions. I do my channel. My channel is designed to help people that want to get into ham radio, and it's a sincere, from the heart passion that I have to help you guys out and make sure that you can get the information you need easily. I even built a whole website, hamradiofornontechies.com. It's right down there. And that's designed to give you guys a crap load of information on everything involved with ham radio that I can think of or that I know of. And if I don't know about it, at least have a link going to some other website that'll at least talk to you about it. So check out these resources. You have lots of resources available to you if you want to get into ham radio and you want to be a part of this great community. Another thing is, as far as going back to the fact where he was saying, well, I can't get testings. It's always done on a day where I can't do it. There is online testing. And I want to show you guys something here. Some of you that might know this, some of you might not. If you go to my desktop here, if you go to hamstudy.org/sessions, you get a list like this here. And this is a whole list of test sessions that are going on for the next couple of days or next couple of weeks. Now, if you are not able to find a local club or your local club only does it on a day when you're not available, on the very top here, you want to click on remote. So when you click on remote, that will now show you all of the test sessions that are available online. So you can contact, you can click on these links here, and I guess you can contact these people, say, hey, I'm interested in taking the online exam. They will show you what, or tell you what the requirements are, how to make the payments, what you're going to need to be able to take the exam, and you go and take it on whatever day you pick. I mean, today alone, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 exam sessions going on today. So if you wanted to take your technician, general, or extra test today, online, remotely, you could do that. So look into these resources. You have a lot of resources out there. The internet's, if you use the internet as a tool, it's a fantastic resource to find the things you need. You just have to know what to look for and how to look for it. Again, hence why my channel exists, because I know a lot of people don't know these things. I go off and I search this stuff and I bring this information to you. So that is one way to get take your exams. If you want to take your technician test and you want to pass, get your ham license, this is a way to do it. And doing it remotely, you know, check these people out. Check out the links on these pages and talk to them. Say, hey, I'm interested in doing this. They'll tell you everything you didn't know. You don't have to get it from a local club in your area. A ham test is a ham test. So if you can take one or you want to take one, check out that resource. I will have the link for that down below so you can go directly to it. And that's pretty much it. You know, again, don't judge the entire ham radio hobby because you have a couple bad apples. I get people all the time that give me really nasty comments about stuff. And, you know, I got to sit there and bite my tongue. It's really easy for me to go off on them and just reading the riot act on how they're wrong about something and how I think that their opinion, although they have the right to their own opinion, is skewed and probably wrong. You can't please everybody. So get into the hobby if you want to get into it. Don't get discouraged by anything. If you want to do this, set a goal, meet that goal, and make another goal. Just keep going and getting through everything you need to get through to pass your tests and start enjoying it. The online ham community is absolutely fantastic. There's some fantastic people in the online ham community. The Discord is fantastic. It's a good place to go and just chat with people and just kind of get to know people. You might make a couple new friends. You might learn some new stuff, and you can explore all the different topics in each one of the Discord servers. They all have separated topics based on different things related to ham radio, and you can go in there and read stuff people wrote about or posted on there, and learn stuff and just interact. That's what ham radio should be about. It should be about interacting and sharing ideas, sharing knowledge, learning more stuff, improving your skills, you know, going out there and trying new facets of ham radio, from POTA to SOTA to satellites to, you know, Aries, Races, VHF, UHF, Simplex, all that kind of stuff. Go out there and enjoy it to its fullest. It's there for you, and don't let a couple idiots ruin it for you, or a couple people that are stuck in their ways discourage you from reaching your goal. Screw them. All right. Do your thing. You do you. So that's all I really got, guys. It's a quick rant. I wanted to help this guy out because I felt bad reading this, that he was in this situation so badly that he was discouraged from even getting his license, didn't want to even do it because it was just made to be too difficult. So I wanted to gap that bridge a little bit, or bridge that gap. I can't talk. I want to bridge that gap a little bit and try to help him out. And this might help out other people in the future who might be in a similar situation, come across this very video. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, again, please subscribe, hit the little bell, be notified when I do new videos. Give me a thumbs up to show me you like the video, and comment down below. Let me hear what you guys have to say. I do answer comments. Believe it or not, I actually sit down for 2 or 3 hours a day answering all of your comments. So if you have comments or questions, post them down in the comments below. Go to hamradiofornontechies.com, which you can see right here, hamradiofornontechies.com. Go in there, send me a message on my contact page, and I'll be more than happy to either help you out or convert one of your questions into a show or a series of shows. So that helps me out and to help you out. Anyway, guys, this is Ham Radio for Non-Techies. My name is Scott, and we are clear.